Welcome to Desenzano del Garda, a true hidden gem on Italy's largest lake, where history, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant Italian life come together in perfect harmony. Explore Desenzano's two harbors, the picturesque Old Port, a timeless symbol of the town, and the modern marina, where boats and ferries connect travelers to the wonders of the lake. Wander through the charming historic center, where cobblestone streets, elegant squares, and centuries-old buildings tell stories of the past. And as the sun sets, Desenzano comes to life with its buzzing cafes, lively bars, and Italian-style nightlife. Want to jump straight to your favorite spot? This video has chapters, so feel free to explore at your own pace. If you love discovering amazing places, don't forget to subscribe. More incredible destinations are coming soon. Now, sit back, relax, and let's explore. In the heart of Desenzano del Garda lies one of the town's most charming and historically rich landmarks, the Old Port. Built in the 16th century under the rule of the Venetian Republic, this small harbor served as the center of local trade for centuries. Boats loaded with goods, especially grain, arrived and departed from here, playing a crucial role in Desenzano's economic growth. Surrounded by elegant historic buildings and crossed by a stone bridge that once formed part of the town's fortifications, the Old Port retains a timeless atmosphere. Though no longer a hub for trade, it remains a symbol of Desenzano's past, where the gentle sway of moored boats and the reflections on the water create a peaceful and evocative scene. Today, the Old Port is a place to slow down and soak in the beauty of the town's heritage. Whether enjoying a quiet walk along the waterfront or simply admiring the view, visitors can still sense the echoes of Desenzano's maritime history in this enchanting corner of Lake Garda. Piazza Malvezzi stands as the vibrant centerpiece of Desenzano del Garda, a place where history and elegance come together in perfect harmony. Designed in the 16th century by the renowned Renaissance architect Giulio Todeschini, the square reflects the artistic influence of the era, with its symmetrical layout and refined porticos that frame the space. Surrounded by historic buildings, Piazza Malvezzi was once a key center for commerce and daily life in Desenzano. Merchants and travelers would gather here, taking advantage of the town's strategic position along important trade routes. Even today, its architecture tells a story of a prosperous past, with intricate details and centuries-old facades that have witnessed generations of change. At the center of the square stands a statue of Saint Angela Merici, a native of Desenzano and the founder of the Ursuline order. This monument serves as a reminder of the town's cultural and spiritual heritage. Today, Piazza Malvezzi is a vibrant meeting place where locals and visitors alike come to enjoy the lively atmosphere. Away from the busy squares, the hidden borghi of Desenzano del Garda reveal a more authentic and timeless charm. With narrow cobblestone streets, pastel-colored facades, and rustic doorways, these historic neighborhoods preserve the essence of traditional Italian life. Here, time slows down. The quiet alleys, blooming balconies, and small courtyards create a peaceful atmosphere, offering a glimpse into the town's past. Exploring these hidden gems means discovering the soul of Desenzano beyond the lake, where history and local traditions still linger in every corner. As we cross the Venetian-style bridge, the atmosphere begins to shift. The peaceful, historic streets of Desenzano gradually give way to a livelier, more dynamic setting. Ahead lies Piazza Giacomo Matteotti, a central hub of the town's nightlife, where people gather to enjoy the social energy that fills the air. This square is lined with a variety of elegant cafes, trendy bars, and refined restaurants, each offering a unique experience, from classic Italian aperitifs to gourmet cuisine and late-night cocktails. The outdoor seating areas spill onto the square, creating a welcoming and vibrant scene where conversation, laughter, and music set the mood for the night. At the center of the square stands the monument to the valiant aviators of high speed, a striking tribute to the Italian pilots who once pushed the limits of aviation over the waters of Lake Garda. This monument serves as a reminder of Desenzano's connection to both history and innovation, celebrating the pioneering spirit of those who set world speed records in the early 20th century. Around the square, beautifully landscaped gardens and tree-lined walkways add a touch of elegance, offering a pleasant contrast to the lively bars and restaurants. The soft glow of streetlights reflects off the well-kept greenery, creating a charming ambiance where visitors can take a leisurely stroll before immersing themselves in the energy of the nightlife. From here, the streets extend towards the lakefront promenade, where the night continues with more bustling venues, live music, and the relaxed yet sophisticated charm of an Italian evening by the water. As we reach the lakefront promenade, the energy of the town fades into a more serene and relaxing atmosphere. The lungolago of Desenzano del Garda is a picturesque walkway that stretches along the shoreline, offering stunning views of the calm waters and distant mountains. Whether bathed in the golden light of sunset or illuminated by the gentle glow of streetlights at night, this promenade is one of the most enchanting places to experience the beauty of Lake Garda. Lined with tall palm trees, elegant lampposts, and charming flower beds, the promenade invites visitors to take a leisurely stroll while enjoying the fresh lake breeze. The soft sound of the water lapping against the shore creates a peaceful soundtrack, perfect for unwinding after a busy day. Scattered along the lungolago, numerous benches provide the perfect spot to pause and take in the scenery. Whether you're watching the boats glide across the lake, admiring the reflections dancing on the water, or simply enjoying a quiet moment away from the bustling town center, these resting areas allow visitors to fully appreciate the tranquil charm of Desenzano. As we continue along the waterfront, we arrive at Desenzano's new port, a modern yet charming harbor that serves as a gateway to the lake. Unlike the historic Porto Vecchio, which retains its old-world charm, the new port is an active hub where ferries, private boats, and sailboats come and go, connecting Desenzano to other stunning destinations around Lake Garda. The gentle movement of the boats, the sound of the water against the docks, and the panoramic views of the surrounding mountains create a scene that is both lively and picturesque. Standing proudly at the edge of the port is Desenzano's lighthouse, a symbol of guidance and tradition. Built in the early 20th century, this small yet iconic structure has been lighting the way for sailors and travelers for decades. With its classic stone facade and modest height, the lighthouse may not be grand, but it carries a nostalgic charm that perfectly complements the peaceful beauty of the lake. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more carefully crafted tours of the most stunning tourist destinations. Stay tuned for upcoming videos exploring breathtaking locations, rich history, and unique cultural experiences.